Yeah, we are dropping the chicken in the pot now. Make it go and fry up. When it fry, put in the Pepsi and make it cook down.
That is it. See, like how you cook brown stew chicken, but you just use the Pepsi as the like how you use the water. You see what I show you?
Big up River Stream TV. Yes, coming from Professor Bengi himself. Highly blessed. One love, you know. One aim.
One River Stream. Big up yourself and pull and enjoy yourself and do the cooking.
But big up River Stream TV.
Every time.
Every time. King Johnny out of Portland.
You got it all inside of you.
Hi guys, welcome to River Stream TV. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, and tell
You make me and when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me
Yes guys, so you don't know how we do it at Jamaica. We forgot the coal, so we're going to use wood fire instead. So what we're going to do is put some mud.
Yes, good. Active.
Active, man. Yes guys, so you know say yeah, we reach on the river now, so we are going to cook some Pepsi chicken. Rio Grande, is it? I mean, have the camera up on my head so and I can't see it so good. Yeah. It's probably my camera now. Yeah, let's park right there, so.
Hi guys, welcome to River Stream TV. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, and tell them where the river is.
Rio Grande River. What is Dirty Dennis? What is that river name? Dirty Dennis?
Dirty Dennis.
Dirty Dennis River. You will die down here. Don't come down here if you can't swim.
Big up, friend.
Big up, big up, big up.
Yes guys, so you don't know how we do it at Jamaica. We forgot the coal, so we're going to use wood fire instead. So what we're going to do is put some mud, put it on the mud. So we're going to do the mud and we're going to take it and put it on the pot like this. You understand? Yeah, so that means as soon as we cook, the pot now get black. You understand? So we can wash off this back when we're done cook. Okay, so that is it guys. Yeah.
We're up on the riverside,
Yeah, up on the Rio Grande, I don't know, so stay tuned to the video and make sure you like and subscribe and share.
Put this video in there. Wow, if they have the fire catch up already.
Because I'm cute, because no matter what we're falling, no. Bush fire, man.
I'm kind of careful, Tan.
Yeah. I'll pop it there, here too. Not fine.
In pretend that you're in there, I'm fine, I can so you don't know Indian I catch up the wood fire? Yeah, because you see we now no coal, we forgot to carry the coal, so you know so the wood fire I have to go do it. Yeah. That is it.
feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me
Fire up on already. Man, people have Indian here, so I do the fire anyway.
That is it, active fire. What? You don't have to talk, man. That's good, bro. Alright guys, so you don't know we're dropping some salt in our pot. Yeah. And as you can see the rain are coming down in there guys, so You don't know it's a rainy pot. Rainy Pepsi chicken, you know?
all inside of you.
So stay tuned guys and watch out for the adventure, alright? Bless you.
You make me
Guys, so you don't know. Yeah, we have the chicken here, so you don't know we're going to deal with the chicken. Yeah, because you know we're going to cook some Pepsi chicken in a day, so you don't know. Yes guys, you know we're up on the river and you know the rain and Jesus still, as you can see. This sky is very cloudy and thing. Yeah, and we deal with the thing, you know, we're cooking some Pepsi chicken. Yeah, and that is the chicken. So you don't know guys, see there, the rain will come down and we're there, we're cook Pepsi chicken, so stay tuned. And remember to like, share and subscribe.
be true. And when you dance, I'm in.
Yeah, the Jizzybird crew there, you know. The great Bingy and the great Johnny.
Highly blessed man.
Yeah,
Don't know what the thing said.
Yeah.
Yes, I. What the name? The thing name?
Yeah, River Stream TV.
River's Dream.
Yeah, River Stream TV.
River Stream. Big up River Stream TV. Yes, coming from Professor Bingy himself. Highly blessed. One love, you know. One aim.
That is
Yeah, man, I say I heard, man, that's a code, man. River Stream, pick up yourself in a pot and enjoy yourself and do the cooking. So there you cook today.
it. We'll cook some Pepsi chicken and white rice.
Pepsi,
Yeah, man.
do you drink?
Yeah,
Chicken,
yeah.
Then-
And white rice.
River Stream,
So
come with
first
something.
I hear about that.
River Stream, come with something. I'm not going to taste that.
Yeah.
Pick up
You
yourself
can't
and do
try it,
River
man.
Stream. I
You
say I
can't
heard,
try
man.
it. So I won't now cook.
Nah, man, it's
There's some fish and
curry chicken we are cooking.
oh, curry chicken and
All
rice.
the vibes.
Some wrong food.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, River Street up on the river, man.
Yes, it.
See, I heard.
That is it. Yeah, we don't part them done.
Almost. Not done yet.
That is it, see now? The great Johnny himself, you see?
Remember you use the word great, you know.
Great
But big up River Stream TV
every time.
every time. King Johnny out of Portland. So where your location? Kingston.
Yes.
First capital our country, city.
See?
You want some manners and respect and big of yourself. Be good and stay good and do good.
That is it.
Yeah.
Man. My respect, Johnny.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. So you don't know, we're there over our side, and when you're not ready, you can come over there, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
See, I heard, man.
Good, man.
Alright,
River
big up on
Street.
yourself.
Big up yourself, man.
That is it.
That started, you can see water from up there.
Yeah. Because I would fire that, you know, G. I remember to.
Subscribe and like the video.
Right now.
Definitely share it out and leave a comment saying it. So me know say interested. That
Yeah.
is it. 100,000 likes. If we
Alright,
can
that
reach
is it.
Okay, we are dropping the chicken in the pot now. Make it go and fry up. When you fry, put it in the Pepsi and make it cook down.
That is it. See, like how you cook brown stew chicken, but you just use the Pepsi as the, like how you use the water. You see what I show you?
Put it down with the Pepsi.
Yes, so when you can't say when I show you, we season ingredients. Yeah, do it when you show you.
You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true.
One people, so.
Alright guys, so you know, so we're going to throw in the Pepsi now. So you don't know. This is how you do it.
Pepsi in it, and we are going to wait till it dry down. We are cut up the seeds then now. And thing. And drop it in the same way, you know. So just stay tuned for that.
So you know we have the seasoning also. So we have onion, we have sweet pepper, we have hot pepper, we have scallion and thyme. We have Irish, we have all of the things that we put on it. You understand me? Yeah, and this is the fire so and the chicken dip on the fire. Yeah, so you know where I do it right now. Yeah, and the rice already done. See it, yeah? You know, look up. Yeah, that is the rice. Rice is already done. Yeah, so you know we are waiting for the chicken to done and nearly over here, so I cut up the seasoning, the natural seasoning and petroleum. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, I make a move now.
Sorry, man, we are connect.
Yeah, man, I don't know. Big up this. That is it. That is it, guys. Without it,
Yeah, man, just throw this thing. No. We are going to make it cook down. We have to throw some more Pepsi in it.
yeah.
And make it cook down and you know.
Yeah, so you know what we do, guys. So we throw in the natural seasoning them in the pot. Yeah, after we throw in the Pepsi and we done fry the chicken, we're going to throw in look more Pepsi and make it cook down. Is it? Yeah, so look at that. Nice Pepsi chicken on the riverside, you know? Look at that, they're beautiful.
So wait till this dry down, you know. And take it off.
Yeah, just wait till it dry down, you know, and just throw it out. That is it.
Yes, good already.
Pepsi chicken look good, guys. You see that? Nice Pepsi chicken. And it smells good too. I want to say, come, it smells like already in a barbecue. I say that tastes like barbecue.
It tastes like barbecue.
Yo. It look good, mama. I'm telling you, like Pepsi chicken look good. It's a rolling one. Same as. You got a spoon there. My wife, you go up on YouTube. You know, they are dancing and something. See food there. You want to cook the food? It's 2 hours camera you go for. That is it, Simmons. You know, I come tell you where it is. You want to shout out your Instagram? Why your Instagram?
It's obsession. Miss_obsession.
Miss_obsession? Oh, so give them a 360 and say, look. Jesus Christ, the ones where you get so fat? Where you eat? Eh? So taste the food now and
Yes,
tell me
man.
what
Oh, you mean?
Man, a Pepsi chicken all
yeah, Pepsi chicken.
First meeting this.
First you eat Pepsi chicken? Yeah, have a nice taste.
Never try it.
Yeah,
I'm
try.
sure I do it. It
Yeah.
tastes good. I do. Active.
Active, man. That is it. I don't know with Indian, Indian other vibes.
I'm the rough man, man.
Yeah.
I'm the rough you out there.
Yeah, man, shout out the rafting team.
Shout out your rap name for the stand.
Moti.
Eh?
Moti.
Moti rap.
Moti my name.
Roti.
Moti.
Oh.
Moti la, they call me Moti.
Yeah.
M-O-T-I.
Yeah.
Moti.
Yeah.
You rap a shake. And the girl them keep like on the raft, you rap a shake, so you give me a shake.
Shake it.
I let me
Which part the rafting?
you do like round the cut here or one in like
No,
2
we'll tell
miles.
you the name where you do rap. On the Rio Grande.
No, Fellowship Nancy Davis.
Fellowship Nancy Davis.
Rio Grande.
Rio Grande.
So,
Fellowship.
this number then can get to the car.
Me not know number, but
But
clinic,
come
clinic.
with you.
Yeah.
No, yeah man, and the clinic they write a fellowship here, just come from the clinic road.
Yeah.
Government clinic.
The Indian mash up him chicken, you know that?
Yeah man.
Yeah, man, so
That
make sure
is
you
it.
send the book with him, you know.
Yeah.
Cheap. And you know, you get a tour for the real Grandy.
Yeah.
So make sure you book with Indian.
Indian.
Make sure you support.
My life
Yeah,
yard.
man. Make sure you support the
Yeah, the
life
life
yard.
yard out here. The
Yeah.
one can leave me last leave.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Who used to be here like them people that know me kind say, yo, me I go down or what? And I take to myself. And I feel the raft one night go down sometime. And draw the raft come back up to Europe, yeah. And I shoot further like that.
Yeah.
It's strong, you can cook me. You can cook me.
Bomba, let me see bottom. Bomba. So India, say now make you rub off your foot then.
So I walk and rub it till the street down. Now rocks won't rub it and I draw my raft a man. And if I like that, I draw my raft one night up in the morning.
So a rock stone to your feet and your foot, sir.
It's a spoon of me.
Yeah, yeah, I see it, man.
You mean?
Someday you can make you're Indian, you're not a woman for rub them on
Yeah,
feel.
no man, they rub off a sword, they catch a rhythm. My man may drive on the tough stone, and I rub off and sticks. And big stone, you know, like them probably, yeah? They put strong, you know.
Pull up my belly first before we go to That is it, my side. So, big respect, I think, is the end of the video. This, and if you reach this part of the video, subscribe right now and don't wait. And respect and thanks for watching the video and bless up on yourself and soon in our next video, is it?